Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bizarre right now, but I've been experimenting with makeup. This was the final look. That's that. I'm out of breath because I was just running for my fucking life. I had to go to my car to grab something. It's nighttime, so best believe I was like,
I'm running, I'm running. Running, I'm running, I'm running. Running, I'm running, I'm running. Running, I'm running, I'm running.
because I'm not trying to get picked up. I'm not trying to get picked up. It's gonna take me a while to get my breath back, so excuse that part. I'm ready to like get into the hair. We are working with fucking Lucyhairwig from Amazon, and everything will be, y'all already know the deal. Everything will be in the description box, which will be a link to my Amazon storefront where you guys can go support me and buy the wig from there. Obviously it's the same thing, it's on Amazon at the end of the day, so just through my storefront. It's a win-win for both of us. I'm just gonna take out the wig right now. I didn't open it yet. I wanted to wait to open it on camera, so it came with a wig cap. I'm not gonna be using this because this is nowhere near my skin tone. So look at how pale this wig is. That's exactly how I wanted it. This is a 613 wig, but not gonna lie, now that I look at it, this wig is really, this is some platinum blonde type shit, like platinum. I'm talking like Lucius Malfoy. But this is exactly what I wanted too. The more blonde it is, the better. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment because I love to read you guys' comments. I love the support y'all give this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and also refer my channel to your friends and family, all that cool stuff. Since it is a 613 wig, I will not be like spraying it or altering it. And I'm just gonna really like just glue it down so I can cut out my bangs and just do what needs to be done, okay? You see how this is darker compared to the first one I showed y'all? That's how I like my wig caps. I don't like it when it's any lighter than that. We're not gonna be doing any type of plucking and stuff like that because I'm cutting bangs into it, so we don't need to like do any plucking. This is what it looks like. Very beautiful. I've been doing a lot of blondes lately. Now I know what y'all are thinking, Belinda, it is so unfortunate that you're gonna cut this wig. Mind you, y'all, I could always buy this hair again, so like I could just buy a second one. I was thinking about buying two, honestly, but I just wanted to see how this was gonna look first. And just from the way it's looking, I love the color on me. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to show you how to do a hairstyle. We're gonna have to grab my fucking mannequin head. Okay, we're gonna drop the clips real fast. It is tangling a little bit right now. Y'all see this? We're gonna glue this down. This is the spray that I use. This is the Wonderlace Bond by Eben, I'm not sure. It is fast drying like it says, and it's a very strong hold. Sometimes I'm gonna have to tie it down a bit. Y'all, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna tie it down real fast. We tied it down and I want to be waiting at least like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna put a timer on. Honestly, it does say it's fast drying, but just in case, because I need this wig super sturdy. All right, y'all, I'm back and I was on TikTok while I waited. She's up and we fuck.
It's like, you just snatched it off on camera like
I showed it.
oh no way. Where?
No.
She's up and we stuck. She's up and we stuck. Things are about to get serious, y'all. So tune in right the fuck now. I'm not sure if this is gonna turn out the way I want it to turn out. Oh my god. Oh, it low-key already has layers in it. Ooh. Did it. I did it. Okay, it's a little bit uneven. This side is longer than this side. So I want to say, I hope when I curl it, it looks good. I'm gonna be so sad if it doesn't look good, y'all. So this is what the bangs look like right now. So the bangs are misbehaving, but you know what? That's literally okay. Like I told you guys, I'm just gonna have to finesse it like I usually do. So I'm tying them down and I'm gonna take them off in like 10 more minutes. So all right guys, it's been 10 minutes. Y'all, it is mad fucking late. Like it's 11 o'clock. So why is she still in the air? So I'm just trying to like bring these two together. You know, I'm just trying to like get them together. There's a lot going on, but y'all, I promise you, in the end, I'm gonna be the winner here. Like I'm not even gonna sit here and stress about it. I'm not even trying to reassure myself. I know it's gonna be okay. Like in the end, I'm gonna win this. I don't care. We're gonna pin it down one more time, but this time instead of 10 minutes, I'm gonna be doing it for 20 minutes. All right, y'all, this is the big reveal. and I swear to God, I'm done playing with this hair. Like, it's time to get serious. Like, it's time to like be put down. It's time to be like put in your place. Like, we're getting somewhere now, okay? This isn't perfect, but we are way better than how I was looking before. I'm gonna give the bangs a break for a second. I'll brush this out. Now, I'm not watching a tutorial on how to bump the ends. We're just gonna bump the ends and hope we do it right. All right, I'm already doing it like really bad, so just okay, you know what, I think I'm doing it with too big of a piece. I'm back, y'all. It was a lot of trial and error for this hair, so I realized that my problem was that I was trying to be perfect with it. All I need to do is bump it. Even if it looks raggedy like this, it's still bumped, you know? At the end, it should all come together regardless. Then I had to go back to my Amazon and I had to see, and I saw that it was heat resistant. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know how y'all feel. I understand if you think it looks terrible, but I tried my best. This is a 360. Don't judge me, because even I don't know what the back of my head looks like. Like, I know it doesn't look that good. So like, obviously, if I want to, I could make, you know, something cute out of it. For now, I'm just gonna take my pictures and then go to fuck to sleep. And trust me, them pictures are gonna it's gonna make me sleep so good tonight. Oh no, y'all need to see the final look with the lip gloss. Hold on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. And that's with the lip gloss included. I'm sorry if I'm being quiet. It is late, and I mean late at night, and this took me damn near all day to do, but it's okay, it's worth it. The reason I'm holding my finger down is because I sprayed some Got2b glue on the sides. I'm just gonna hold this down a little bit longer, and that's really all it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you watched this far, like, I'm so sorry for the chaos and the ride and journey that I took y'all on, and you know, there's gonna be many more, so subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys can see more videos like these. So catch y'all later. Follow my Instagram so y'all can see these pics and how they turn out. All right, bye guys.